Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you stake in Bitget Wallet. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to stake, you just simply have to open your Bitget Wallet application, and after opening the Bitget Wallet you will get this option of more. Just simply tap to more, and after tapping into more you will get this section of earn right here. Now you just simply have to select this BWB staking, and after selecting BWB staking into here, you can choose the option between stake and unstake. If you would like to stake and unstake into here, just simply you can perform those actions. Just simply scroll down and you can choose this option of connect wallet. Or before that, you can also customize the network, which is only Solana at this moment. In the future, the more networks might be available. Just simply select those options and tap to connect wallet and connect with your wallet. Tap to signature and enter your verification method such as PIN code or biometric. Now just simply connect with your wallet, and then this stake option will be available. Simply tap to stake and the operation will be done. This way you can easily stake Solana into your Bitget wallet. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.